Hello, this is Joan of Art, and I brought some props to describe to you the word NGILO. So far, I haven't found an English equivalent that would help me explain what NGILO is. So, for you to understand what I mean by NGILO in Ilonggo, it's a kind of sensation. This sensation is felt whenever something occurs. It gives you a tingling, tickling sensation when some of these things provoke you to feel that kind of sensation. This is a cotton fruit or santol in Ilonggo. For me, whenever I whenever I bite the skin, look at the skin of the cotton fruit. It's called cotton fruit because the seed looks like cotton and it has a juicy, sweet, and sour taste. However, opening the cotton fruit is a bit of a challenge. Either slice it with a knife or smash it open with the pressure in between your knees. So that's a pretty Ilonggo thing to do. Let me see. Fail. So if all else fails, you have to bite it. Now that's the problem. You see, because of this velvety texture, if you cannot successfully sink your teeth into its thick skin and the teeth would slide off, that's when NGILO happens. So for your sake, I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Okay. So when you slide your teeth against the surface of this particular fruit, that sensation is NGILO. It's ticklish, I can't just describe. You have to experience it yourself. So this is one kind of NGILO. If only I can sink my teeth into this, I would avoid the NGILO sensation. So let's see. Finally I'm able to bite it. If my teeth slid, that's NGILO. Another NGILO sensation is that kind of stinging sensation you have in your teeth when you eat certain foods, such as sour foods or such as ice cream, ice, so anything like that. But it's a different kind of NGILO. That's a kind of NGILO that you feel on your teeth. But there are certain kinds of NGILO that just by looking at it or feeling it with your fingers or your skin, or just simply by looking at it or hearing the screech and scratch, you will feel that NGILO. Remember the old-fashioned blackboard, and you write chalk on the blackboard, and sometimes if you scratch the surface of that blackboard, it's the kind of NGILO. Sometimes if there's an impurity in the chalk and you write it against the blackboard, that is also NGILO. So this one is a white paper. But another thing that gives me the NGILO is an old marker without ink. So actually it's the felt tip against paper that creates the NGILO sensation for me. So if you if you do that, felt pens, especially pentel pens, those with no ink, the one that's especially dry, this one is already dry. When you slide it against paper, that is NGILO. That is NGILO for me. I don't know what is NGILO for you, so if you can share that, let's have a healthy discussion down the comments below. And I hope you learned something new again today. This is Joan of Art, and see you once again in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.